Have you ever wondered how sentences are built? Every sentence starts with a simple idea. In English, the simplest type of sentence is called a simple sentence. In this lesson, we will learn what a simple sentence is and how we can create one using a subject and a verb. Welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy, where we provide clear and practical English grammar lessons for students, ESL learners and teachers. A simple sentence expresses a complete thought. To form a simple sentence, we need two important parts, a subject and a verb. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. The verb tells us the action or what happens. Let's look at an example. Subject, Peter. Verb, swims. When we put these together, we get a simple sentence, Peter swims. This sentence expresses a complete idea. Sometimes we add more words to give extra information. For example, Peter swims in the pool. The sentence now gives us more detail, but it is still a simple sentence. Why? Because the sentence still has one subject and one main verb. Simple sentences are very important because they form the foundation of all writing. Longer sentences are often built by joining or expanding simple sentences. Now try the activity. Write your own simple sentence using a subject and a verb. For example, the bird sings, the dog runs, the teacher explains. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to Nothing Fancy Literacy for more clear and practical English grammar lessons.